Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com. Hi people, good morning and welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm talking about how to make Kerala banana milkshake. I'm not using Kerala banana this time. You can even make it with ripe Kerala banana, but this is for people especially who are my customers who have been buying Kerala banana powder or who have been using Kerala banana powder for your little ones. I mean, especially when they are of the age 1 year, 2 year, porridge works fine. But when they cross that age, because Kerala banana powder is a great immunity booster, it's a great weight gaining food, people don't want to stop giving that, but the kid doesn't accept it anymore as a porridge. So this is one yummy recipe which I tried, Kerala banana milkshake, and it can be made in jiffy, and I'm sure your little ones will love it. And this can be given to them early in the morning instead of just giving plain milk. This Kerala banana milkshake can be served to them, or evening anytime they want to have it. So let's dive right in and see how to make it first. I'll take a pan and add a cup of milk now and 1 tablespoon of Kerala banana powder. There's a method in the description box on how to cook Kerala banana powder. You can have a look at it. Mix it lump-free without switching on the flame first, and then switch on the flame and add the other ingredients. Mainly I'm adding dry dates powder. You can even add sugar if you're cooking it for a toddler or kid, but anything natural is always suggested and better. So again, mix it lump-free. Now the flame is on, so keep mixing it until it thickens up to a consistency of a porridge. For kids below an year, it is given just like this, and for older kids who don't like to eat porridge, we are making this milkshake. So a glazy texture is what you will have to look for. Once it is cooked, keep it aside until it cools down completely. As you can see it here, it's cooled down now, and I am taking a blender jar and adding the porridge here. Adding chilled milk now to make it a milkshake. I'll add a pinch of cardamom powder. I'm adding honey to sweeten it more. You can add any sweetener of your choice. Let's blend it now. This is a quick fix for kids who don't like to eat porridge, and this is the best way in summer. You can include milkshakes. You can even add nuts powder to it to make it more nutritious. Add pieces of banana or any fruit like strawberry to make it more appealing. Hope you like the smart way of using Kerala banana powder, and if you used it, if you made this and if you liked it, please comment and let us know. And there are many such ideas on our channel, so please subscribe to our channel, click on that subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to stay updated. We'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care, bye bye.